In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bar replay in TradingView. First, we'll head straight to the TradingView website, the premier platform for charting and analyzing market data. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the realm of trading, TradingView offers a robust set of tools, and understanding how to use them effectively can significantly enhance your trading strategies. Once you're on the TradingView website, direct your attention to the replay button. Think of it as a gateway that allows you to time travel within the market. This feature is especially useful for those who want to go back in history and observe how specific scenarios played out. Maybe you've spotted a pattern or heard of a historical market event that caught your interest, and you're curious about the tick-by-tick movements that led to its resolution. The replay feature is your key to bring these historical transactions back to life. To begin using this feature, just click on the replay button. It's typically located somewhere in the top area of your chart interface, fittingly colored so it stands out. Once you click that button, you'll notice a change in the interface. The replay mode gets activated, transforming your chart into a time machine of sorts, allowing you to review past market data in vivid detail. Imagine the possibilities. Whether it's evaluating the precision of indicators in historic settings or simply practicing your strategy without the pressure of real-time trading. You can pause the timeline, fast forward, or rewind to analyze how certain patterns evolve under different market conditions. This replay function is not just about nostalgia or curiosity. For many traders, it's an educational tool that helps refine techniques, offering insights into the past that inform better decision-making in the future. As you engage with the replay feature, consider making notes on any patterns you detect or strategies that seem particularly effective in hindsight. You may find these insights valuable when analyzing live markets. Additionally, don't forget to customize your chart views during replay sessions. TradingView allows you to adjust time frames and apply various indicators, so use these options to maximize the learning experience. There you have it. Using the bar replay mode on TradingView is remarkably straightforward and can be incredibly beneficial in honing your trading skills. By taking advantage of this dynamic feature, you open up a world of possibilities to learn, backtest, and refine your strategies. Revisit the past, embrace the insights it offers, and let it guide your future trades with newfound clarity and confidence. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, shedding some light on an amazing feature that's right at your fingertips on TradingView. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.